Nilipika hadi because I knew that my husband was coming back. Nikapika chakula imenitosha na yeye juu watoto walienda shule. Sasa kurudi najua atakula. Kufika kitu saa 8 hivi nikaanza kumtafuta tena, the number was not going through. So I called this number mpaka jioni. I was just worried, I was restless.
Even after confirming his body, we still don't believe Evans is gone. Because as we know, Evans is a very polite person. In fact, if this is his first occasion is attending depending on politics. He doesn't attend such things. The only thing he attends is football.
What happened is really sad because my brother-in-law alienda tu kuona the late Raila Amolo Odinga. He was not chaotic in any way. Unfortunately, he was shot. And the saddest part is that the person who shot him in the chest, the left side. I think it was a targeted shot, not an accidental shot. So what I can request from the government or agencies involved is just for us to get justice.
Huyo mtoto wangu ndio kijana wa kipekee, sina mwingine, na wasichana 4. Sasa hivyo ndio vile ilivyo, na nimehuzunika sana kulingana na ile kifo wamepata, na ni huzuni mingi sana juu huyo kijana alienda tu Kasarani kama wengine. Sasa coincidentally akashutiwa wakati alikuwa ameketi chini. Sasa sijui vile ilikuwa, kwa maana information ile nimepata ni ya kwamba alishutiwa kama ameketi chini.
Please do not shoot. Please do not use live ammunition. This is Nairobi. Tomorrow people will be in Kisumu. We don't want to see more deaths associated with this funeral. Evans and Vincent were innocent Kenyans who were just going there to send off Baba. Yet they are no more.